how to take membership in Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can take membership in Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to take your membership in Amazon Prime, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, then you'll be able to see this type of interface. Once you're on this page, make sure to sign into your Amazon account if you already do have, or you can simply choose to create one, or you will be asked to create one when you first tap on the start your free trial button. By the way, if you're also confused about the link, I'll make sure to drop them directly in the description box below. Once you're here, what you want to do is you'll be able to review all of the Prime benefits that you'll get, and if you want to get those Prime benefits, now all you can do is just simply make sure to enter your payment method, such as a debit or credit card, or maybe your Venmo account. Once you've entered them, just tap on the add credit or debit card option over here, make sure that the payment details are correct, and then just tap on add and continue. As you've done that, you'll have successfully taken the membership in Amazon Prime. This way you can take membership in Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.